Do you find yourself tossing and turning in the bed or scrolling your phone until midnight and then waking up the next day extremely tired? Well, if yes, then your evening routine could be draining your energy instead of restoring it. Welcome to Heal and Rise with Hilda, your transformational genomic wellness consultant. And today, I am here to help you understand a very simple evening routine that could help you recharge and wake up with energy. So, let me tell you a story of two good friends in our body. We have the stress hormone called cortisol and we have the sleep hormone called melatonin. Now, these two are good complementary friends, meaning if one works, the other will be at its rest, and if the other has to start working, the first one needs to take rest. So, during our entire day, we face with a lot of situations which requires us to either fight or flee, meaning we should either face it or run away from it. During this time, when we either face the situation or flee from it, our body starts releasing the stress hormone cortisol, which helps us do this job. So imagine during the entire day you are faced with hundreds of situations which makes you to either fight or flee the situation, keeping your cortisol levels high. Now, as I end the day or reach towards the evening, I need cortisol to come down so that melatonin can start doing his job to help you relax, have a night's sleep, and to balance your hormones. But if cortisol is high to its peak the entire day until the night, melatonin will not be able to work. So, in the evenings, if you do not tone down or calm down, you won't be able to get quality sleep or to balance your hormones or to even get your energy restoration. So, how can I power up my evening routine? Here are three steps for this purpose. Step number one, digital sunset, meaning start by switching off your screens at least 60 minutes before bedtime. The blue light from the phone tricks our brain that it is still daytime, so it will make your cortisol levels to be still up while melatonin will not be able to work. So you can try switching your lights in the room into a dim light, or try putting some relaxing calm music, or even try aromatherapy because scent also helps us to relax and calm down. Step number 2, relaxation rituals. Try having some calming tea such as chamomile tea or lavender tea or even tulsi tea. Or you could try light stretches, deep breathing, or even meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. Or optional, you could even try a warm bath or a warm shower. This will help you to lower the temperature in your body and help you to relax just before you sleep. Step number 3, energy reset practices. You could start journaling at least 3 to 10 things that has happened during the day which you are extremely grateful for, or you could even journal the things that were not good for you. We mentioned about this in our previous videos. This will help to declutter your mind and give you a mental space. You could also try aromatherapy such as scented candles. You could start burning scented candles in your room or in your bedroom. The scents will help you to relax. There are certain scents such as lavender or even sandalwood which will really help you to relax. You can find such products at Little Lights. The link is given in the description box. They have amazing products because they are 100% natural soy wax candles. So you could try out in the description below. So, the last you could try is to create your sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom is a sacred space where you retire for the night to restore your energy, to detox your body, and to get a calm, deep sleep. So, try to keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. So, your morning energy is depending on the night before. If you want to wake up with full energy the next day, your evening routine is the biggest key. So start small and take one step at a time. Comment below in the comment section which step are you going to take to help power your evening routine to help you get your energy for the next day. So, subscribe for more such videos and energy and wellness tips, and do share with your friends and family so that they could benefit from this too. We will meet in the next video.